Most people believe that a business means selling a product or a service, but that way of thinking is outdated. In the digital age, the wealthiest people don't trade time for money. They build digital real estate. Imagine owning a simple website or a niche AI tool that generates $500 per month on autopilot, and then selling that single digital asset for $15,000 to $20,000. This is not a fantasy. This is how digital assets are bought and sold every single day. In this video, I'm revealing a business model that is still flying under the radar: the AI Asset Flipping Agency. This is not blogging. This is not freelancing. This is about building automated systems that solve very specific problems, and then flipping those systems for profit. Traditional businesses require offices, staff, and high overhead. But with AI, you can build a micro-SaaS or content hub in just 48 hours. And here's the key insight. Big companies don't want to build from scratch. They want to buy systems that already work. You're not building a business to run forever. You're building small digital houses and selling them for 20 times, 30 times, even 40 times returns. So how do you build your first AI asset? Here's the 3-step blueprint. Step 1. Identify the micro pain. Don't build a fitness app. Build an AI macro calculator for vegan bodybuilders. The more specific the problem, the lower the competition, and the higher the value. Step 2. The low-code build. Use tools like Bubble, Webflow, or Softer, combined with the OpenAI API. You don't need to be a programmer. You need to think like a prompt engineer. Step 3. Traffic automation. Use AI-driven SEO to target keywords that your competitors are ignoring. Within 3 to 6 months, your asset shows proof of concept: traffic, users, and revenue. At that point, your digital asset becomes sellable. Now, the real question: how does a $100 per month website sell for $5,000 or more? First, transparency. You list your asset on platforms like Flippa or Empire Flippers. Second, multipliers. Digital assets typically sell for 24 times to 40 times monthly profit. Third, automation. You show buyers that AI handles 90% of the work. Low maintenance equals higher valuation. But here's the real secret that makes this a blue ocean business: data moats. If your AI tool collects unique, hard-to-replicate data, you're no longer selling a website. You're selling a database. And databases are what large tech companies actually acquire. Stop trading hours for income. Start building assets that work while you sleep and sell while you travel. If you want my list of 10 micro niches, you can start flipping this month. Comment asset. Don't just watch the future. Build it.